You don't need a computer to freelance on Upwork. In fact, you can make just as much money with just your phone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find jobs on Upwork with just your phone, and I'm going to show you which jobs are the best for phone-only users. So here's how to freelance on Upwork and find jobs with just your phone. The first step is that you need to pick the right job for you. So you need to find a job that can be done with just the phone. I have a list here that can help you. You could do consulting or coaching. It doesn't really matter whether or not you're doing it on a computer with a webcam, or if you're just doing it with your phone, it's the same thing. So you could do this in languages, teaching languages to people. You could do coaching for industrial engineering, on marketing, and a lot of other topics. And also another job that would be good is social media management. People who answer comments, who make posts, who schedule posts, who handle a lot of different things on the platforms. There's also jobs on Upwork for product photography. If you go on Amazon, almost all the products there's pictures of these products, and who takes these pictures? These are not the same type of photography that you usually associate photographers to, but there's photographers who are specialized in just taking photos of everyday items that go onto online stores. If you have a good phone, that's something you can definitely do. Another job that you could do is customer support. Not really my cup of tea, but if you'd like to just work from home and just answer customers who have problems with the products or services that the company you're working for are offering, that's something you can do. You could also do sales. If you want to do sales, if you want to help businesses sell their products, both with calling or traditional methods of sales, or if you want to help companies with digital marketing, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can also do email marketing. It's another form of digital marketing. And you could do some user testing for mobile phone apps. There's companies out there who make apps for mobile phones, and they need people to test these apps to see if there are bugs or problems on the application, and they pay for that. You can't test computer apps on your phone, but you can definitely test phone apps on your phone. And once you've chosen the right type of job for you, it's very possible that you're going to look at your skill set and you're going to be like, hey, this job interests me, but I don't feel like I have everything I need right now in terms of knowledge and skills. And the way that I learned to be a web developer, the way that I learned to make websites, which is the skill that I use to make money as a freelancer, the way I learned how to do it was not to go to college. It was actually to go on a website called Udemy. I'm not a partner with them. I'm not making money for recommending them. It's just my favorite place for finding online courses, because usually you can get them for very cheap during sales. They have sales all the time, and there's a lot of quality courses on there. After that, what you need to do is to set everything up so that you can then apply to jobs later. And there's a few things that we need to set up before we can apply to jobs on Upwork. The first thing is that you need to download the Upwork app on your phone. Next, you're going to have to create a profile, an account on Upwork, and really be careful when creating your account. Don't make your profile quickly. You want to make something high quality, because someone with a high quality profile who offers their services to 10 clients is going to get more jobs than someone with a poor profile who offers their services to 200 clients. It is that important. Your profile is like your resume when you're applying to jobs in real life. And obviously, the better your resume is, the more employers are going to want to work with you. So really take this step seriously. So the way you're going to find jobs is you have two options. Your first option is to look at the jobs that Upwork recommends you on the app. And the second option is that you can just search for jobs on Upwork using the search bar. And then once you find a job that interests you, you want to click on that job, you press on it on your phone screen. And then what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to fill a job application form. It's also called a proposal. You're going to have to do a couple of things on there. You're going to have to send a quick message to the client, presenting yourself, explaining, why they should work with you instead of other people. You're going to have to offer them how much money that you want for that job. After you've been sending proposals for a couple of days, you should have eventually clients who respond to some of your proposals. Some people who are new don't know that you need to have an official contract before you start doing work so that you get payment protection and that sort of thing. And so I'm telling you, don't start working until you have an official contract. So once you start getting these messages from clients to whom you've sent proposals, your next step is to do whatever it takes, get on sales calls, get in interviews so that you get contracts signed. Once you've gotten your contract signed, really simple. All you got to do is deliver the work and get paid. So do what you have to do. If you have to send them files, send them the files on the platform and get paid. I have a few tips. I have 3 tips actually that can help you as a phone-only user become successful on Upwork. You could invest on Amazon or another website for a keyboard that works on Bluetooth so that you could do typing on your phone quicker. The second tip that I would have for you is that if you notice that you need to sign in on a website, or maybe you need to click on a button on the website, and for some reason, it just doesn't work when you're just going and looking at that website on your phone. The button maybe isn't there, the text isn't there, or maybe it doesn't work for some reason. There's an option on that web browser on your phone so that you can see the computer version of that website and then do whatever you need to do on these websites on your phone. Just knowing that can save you a lot of trouble. So the third tip I have with you to help you be successful in Upwork with just your phone is that you need to remember that even if you know the steps of the process, and even though they're pretty simple, as I've just shared them with you, you need to remember that some of these steps are actually pretty hard to do, even though they seem simple. Like for me, when I got started on Upwork, I struggled, and I would have made more money flipping burgers at McDonald's than I made freelancing because I did not do the important steps very well. Like some of these steps that look simple, you can actually mess up real bad and not know why clients are not responding to your job applications and not understand why you can't get jobs. Building a good Upwork profile that makes you look professional is hard. Making an offer is easy, but making the right offer is hard. Offering your services is easy. Offering your services in the right way, in a way that makes the clients want to work with you, saying the right things, that's hard. And when I got started, I struggled in all of these steps. There's so much that I did not know, and I thought Upwork was going to be easy, so I did not take these steps seriously. I did not really try to master these steps, or at least get good enough so that I could get jobs. And I thought Upwork was the problem, but you need to understand when clients don't choose you, you don't need to ask yourself why is it so unfair? Why doesn't the platform work? You need to ask yourself why are the clients right in not choosing me? Why is there a good reason that the clients choose to work with other people? What is that reason? What do you need to change to be able to become the type of person that the clients want to choose? You need to be introspective, and you need to realize that if you're struggling, there's things that you need to change. And this is a sales job. This is a business that you're running, and you need to take it seriously enough to become successful. But the other side of the coin is that you need to understand that once you learn how to do these things, then it becomes easy. The hard part is not building an Upwork profile. It's knowing what you need to write to build a good Upwork profile. Once you know how to message clients, once you know what you need to say, once you know what clients want, it's easy for you to sell to them, to message them, to win during interviews. It's easy to win during sales calls because you already know what they want to hear. It's not doing the sales calls that's hard. What's hard is learning what you need to say and what clients want. And once you're good at sales calls, once you're good at building a good profile, once you understand what clients want, Upwork becomes easy. It doesn't take a lot of time to do your sales calls, to build a good profile. Like it's all behind you. You already have that. And what remains is easy work. And the reason I've been able to succeed in freelance is because I've taken these things seriously. I've decided to be serious about learning how to get clients the right way, about making sure that I make myself look as valuable as possible so clients want to pay me as much as possible and they want to work with me as much as possible. And if you want to learn what I've learned, if you want to learn my process, I actually have a special offer for you right now. I teach everything I know about freelance in my course, the Complete Freelance course. And until the end of April, it's on sale. You can get the Complete Freelance course for half the price. Just click the link in the description to go check it out and use coupon code Easter2025 in just one word, no space, Easter2025 at checkout to get 50% off your purchase so you can get the course at half the price. So that's it, guys. Never give up on your dreams, and I'll see you in my next videos.